Hello, hello! Welcome back to the channel. Talk English Now. My name is Olivia.
And I'm Mateo. We're happy you're here with us today.
Today we have a great topic. A simple topic. A very useful topic. We're going to talk about habits.
Yes, habits. One more time, habits.
If you want to speak English, you must talk about your habits. The things you do again and again.
Like drinking coffee, like going to bed early, like taking a walk every day.
So today, we will help you talk about your habits in easy English.
Very easy English, slow English, clear English, English for beginners.
And we will also practice together. I will ask you to repeat words and sentences many times.
So get ready, relax, take a deep breath, and let's start.
So, Mateo, let's start very simple. What is a habit?
A habit is something you do many times, again and again, every day or every week.
For example, I drink coffee every morning. That's a habit.
Or I read at night. That's also a habit.
Good. Let's practice the word habit. Repeat after me. Habit. Again. Habit.
Now, a full sentence. I have many habits. Again, I have many habits.
Very good. You're doing great. Mateo, tell us, what is one habit you have every day?
One habit I have every day is I drink water in the morning.
That's a good habit. Drinking water is healthy.
Yes, every morning I drink a big glass of water.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. I drink water in the morning. Again, slower. I drink water in the morning.
Great. Now let's talk about another habit.
I have a habit. Every day I stretch. I stretch for 3 minutes.
That's a great habit too. Stretching helps your body.
Repeat after me. I stretch every day. Again, I stretch every day.
Let's practice habits together. Maya, what are 3 daily habits you have?
Good question. Let's see. 1, I drink water. 2, I stretch. 3, I read for 5 minutes.
Nice list. Simple habits.
Now, you listening at home, think of one daily habit you have.
Excellent. To talk about habits, we need some special words. These words help us talk about how often we do something.
The words are always, usually, sometimes, never.
Let's practice the first one.
Always. Repeat. Always. I always drink water.
Now, usually. Repeat. Usually. I usually wake up early.
Next word. Sometimes. Repeat. Sometimes. I sometimes walk in the park.
Last one. Never. Repeat. Never. I never drink soda in the morning. Olivia, let's talk about your habits. What is a habit you always do?
I always make my bed.
Nice. Repeat after Olivia. I always make my bed.
Now a habit I usually do. I usually eat fruits in the morning.
Repeat. I usually eat fruit in the morning.
A habit I sometimes do. I sometimes take a short walk.
Repeat, I sometimes take a short walk.
And a habit I never do. I never drink coffee at night.
Repeat, I never drink coffee at night.
Now it's your turn, Mateo. Tell us about your habits.
Sure. I always brush my teeth after breakfast.
Repeat. I always brush my teeth after breakfast.
I usually read the news in the morning.
Repeat. I usually read the news in the morning.
I sometimes listen to music at night.
I sometimes listen to music at night.
I never eat sugar at night.
I never eat sugar at night. Let's practice a small conversation about habits. Very slow. Very simple.
I will ask a question. Olivia will answer. I will ask a question, and Olivia will answer out loud. I will ask the question, and Olivia will answer out loud. What do you always do in the morning?
I always drink water.
What do you usually do at night?
I usually read a book.
What do you sometimes do on weekends?
I sometimes walk in the park.
What do you never do?
I never eat fast food. Now it's your turn, listener. I will ask a question, and you will answer out loud. Ready? Question 1. What do you always do in the morning? Question 2. What do you usually do on weekdays? Question 3. What do you sometimes do at night? Question 4. What do you never do at night?
Great job. Really great job.
Let's talk about home habits. Things you do at home. Simple habits.
For example, cleaning, cooking, washing dishes.
I have some home habits. I always wash the dishes after dinner.
Repeat. I always wash the dishes after dinner.
I usually cook on weekends.
Repeat. I usually cook on weekends.
I sometimes clean my room on Sunday.
Repeat. I sometimes clean my room on Sunday.
I never leave the lights on.
Repeat. I never leave the lights on.
Now let's talk about study or work habits.
Great idea. I have some study habits. I always write notes.
Repeat. I always write notes.
I usually review my notes at night.
Repeat. I usually review my notes at night.
I sometimes study in the morning.
Repeat. I sometimes study in the morning.
I never study after midnight.
Repeat. I never study after midnight. Let's talk about healthy habits.
Yes, healthy habits are important.
Here are some easy healthy habits. Drink water, walk, stretch, eat fruit, sleep well.
Let's practice them. I drink water. I walk every day. I stretch in the morning. I eat fruit. I sleep 8 hours.
Very good. You are learning fast.
We talked about good habits. Now let's talk about bad habits. But don't worry. Very simple, very easy words.
Here are some examples. Not sleeping well, eating too much sugar, using the phone too much, sleeping late every day.
Let's practice with simple sentences. I sometimes sleep late.
I sometimes use my phone too much.
I usually eat too much sugar.
I never sleep early.
Okay, let's do a big practice session.
You repeat after me. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. I always drink water. I usually read at night. I sometimes walk in the park. I never eat late. I always clean my room. I usually cook dinner. I sometimes wash clothes on Sunday. I never leave a mess. I always sleep 8 hours. I usually eat fruit. I sometimes stretch. I never drink soda.
Olivia, do you have a strange habit?
Maybe. I always talk to my plants.
Really?
Yes. Hello, plant. Good morning, plant. Grow, plant. Grow.
That is a funny habit. A sweet habit.
Thank you. And you? Do you have a strange habit?
Yes. I always check the door 3 times.
3 times?
Yes. 1, 2, 3. Just to be sure.
That's a cute habit. Okay. Let's review what we learned today.
Today, we learned how to talk about your habits.
We practiced the 4 frequency words. Always, usually, sometimes, never.
We learned habits at home, habits at work, and healthy habits.
And you practice speaking a lot.
You did great today.
Thank you for listening to Easy English Habits.
Remember, practice every day. Small habits, simple habits.
And listen to this episode again if you need more practice.
We're proud of you.
See you next time. Bye.
See you in next video. Bye.